Hi, my name is Coach Judith, and I have been walking you through some videos in the Quarantine Coding Club series that we created with Metacoders. My coworker Stephen has been creating a bunch of videos to help teach you how to code and also why you should be coding, which has become very important. So, the way these classes work, we watch a video together. I stop it and talk about it as we're going through. Just a little bit about me before we start. I have been teaching coding for about 6 years. I've been in industry. I have a degree in computer science, and I am actually starting to enjoy this online teaching experience, which was all new to us a few weeks ago. Hope that you are finding something positive about being at home. So before we start this video, let me switch it. There we go. Let us watch together.
I told you that I wanted to help people affected by COVID-19, but that my main enemy now is time.
All right, so this is just a recap for those of you who are new to the quarantine coding video series. This is episode 9, I think. And Stephen, in the past few episodes, was telling us that he made these because he wanted to be able to help people, but that it's taking him a really long time to create these videos. So this video is about 5 minutes long, and in one of the videos, he told us it takes him about 8 hours to create a 5-minute video.
This led me to ideate that one thing I need is faster pipelines.
Okay, he also defined the word ideate or ideation in the past. So you can see when you look at that word, the first 4 letters there are idea. So ideation, or as a verb, ideate, is the process of coming up with ideas. Sometimes people use the word brainstorming. You may have heard that in the past. But so he is trying to think about how to make faster videos
For the production of these videos. So this episode will have 5 parts. We're here right now. If I had to name them, I'd pick inhale, investigate, prototype, test, and inhale.
Okay, so in our video last time, Stephen mentioned that he was going to create videos in 5 1-minute segments. We are in the first half of the first minute. And this one he's named Inhale. So I'm anxious to see why he is calling it Inhale this first minute.
As designers, we inhale when we look at the big picture and decide what to do.
Ah, there you go. So thinking about what should we do? Inhaling. So that he's a designer of this video. He is also a designer of coding, and he is going to decide how to create a video.
That's where we ask why. As we exhale, we take action, like building something or writing code, as we'll do in a moment.
All right, so this first minute is talking about why are we doing this? And then the second minute will be about how we are doing this.
That's where we would ask how. We'll inhale and exhale on the design of faster pipelines as many times as we have to. And then one day, hopefully soon, we'll take a deep breath and move on.
All right, so if you guys are ready, let's take a deep breath and move on.
This is Shotcut, an open source video editor.
Okay, so the video editor that he's talking about is Shotcut, and I just want to show it to you here. Shotcut.com. It is a free open source editor, and that is what he's about to show you that he's using.
It's what I use to edit my videos, and I do not want to replace it. I just want to make things faster.
All right, so you can edit Shotcut. If you're creating a video, you can edit it. It's free, and Stephen has been using it. Like I said earlier, it has been taking him about 8 hours to create a 5-minute video using this software, and he is now going to try to figure out how to make that process quicker.
Look what I have to do by hand when I process one of yesterday's illustrations. I import it, I flip it, I make it about 16 times faster, and then
Okay, so he imports the video clip, he flips it, he is trying to make it faster. These are all the things that he's doing using the Shotcut software.
that's just the starting point for adjusting different portions of it to get it to match my voiceover. Tons of my editing time gets spent trying to get the important moments of one piece of writing, like illustrations, to match up with the moments of another piece of writing, like a voiceover.
All right. So for those of you who haven't created videos before, there is the speaking part, the audio part, and then there's the looking at the visual, the video part. And using this software, he's trying to link up what he is saying, the words that he's saying, with the pictures that he's showing you. Because what we're seeing in Stephen's videos, a lot of the time, we're not actually seeing Stephen. We are seeing something on the screen and we're hearing his voice. And he's doing all of that editing in the Shotcut software
to produce the final video that is greater than the sum of its parts.
So here's an example. He's showing you the drawing of this picture and he is speaking. You don't see him, you just hear his voice.
I didn't even have time to use this illustration in yesterday's episode. As you can see, it was daytime when I started and it got late.
Okay, I just want to back that up a little bit. And just as a reminder, yesterday's video had 5 parts: meta, value, story, design, and big. So the same idea of the 5 parts that we have in today's video. Let's go back to where we were. I think it was around here.
Started and it got late. Most of the time gets spent slowing certain clips down or speeding them up. So I wanted to investigate if I could automate even a small part of that to inform what I think about during my next inhale.
Okay, so that was the investigate minute. We did the first inhale. Why are we doing this? And then the second minute was investigating. And the problem we're going to investigate in today's video, in the second half of today's episode, is how we can speed up the video clips that show Stephen drawing something while he is speaking. This is going to conclude the first response to the current episode of Quarantine Coding Club. So I'm going to sign off now, and there'll be another video that starts, that is a separate video that you can see the second 3 minutes of Stephen's video.